For joining, you're welcome. Welcome to the live session. If you're joining, you're welcome. Make sure you like the session and also share. Okay. If you're joining, you're welcome. If you're just joining, you're welcome. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Okay, wanted to doing some teaching on how to confirm a trend. So if you're right there, let me see your thumbs up so that I know I can start teaching. I want to be teaching when we are at least much. So when I see your thumbs up, I will know we are due and I'll start teaching. So like this live session and drop your thumbs up so I know we are together. Then I'll start teaching. Just feel free to drop your comments. I'm going to get it right away. And your questions at the same time. So feel free to drop your questions and your comments. Okay, I think I want to teach more on this. Okay, currently on a trade, but we'll be exiting it soon because the market is not going just away. Okay. If you're joining, you're welcome. As I said, let me see the thumbs up, like the live session, so that I'll be sure we are together. I want to start teaching when I have at least 10 persons live. That is when I want to start teaching. So if you're there, click on the thumbs button so I know you are there, so I can start teaching. I want to teach once you're up to 10, and I'll start teaching. So if you're joining, you are welcome. Okay. We have about 1:10, 1:10. That's a good trade. Okay. Also, before I start teaching, if you have a challenge, you can drop it in the comment section. Then I will be looking at it. Probably talk about it. So if you have a challenge, feel free to drop it in the comment section. I will look at it, then we'll talk about it. If you have a challenge, feel free to drop it in the comment section. If you are just joining, you are welcome. You're very welcome. I'm going to be talking on how to get a good entry using your trend confirmation. So you don't want to miss out on this. Same time, make sure you click on the follow button, subscribe button, so that whenever I'm live, you get to be notified. Okay. If you're joining, you're welcome. Okay. We have this zone that looks a bit choppy here, but inside this choppy look, there is always something to find out here. So I want us to look closely about what is happening here. Overall, this is like a retest area from our higher time frame analysis. This is like a retest area, but you can see the chart is empty and naked. Okay, so it is not as much as clear to take any trade until you find a clear market structure. Okay, so I'm going to be doing some analysis currently here, and let's see what the market is giving us here. So here I have a resistance zone well plotted out, and here we have this structure here that the market seems to be respecting, though we have some fake out at some point, but overall we see it plays out there. Okay, so let me see if this is just two touch. If we have that, if we have this here, we have multiple touch. So we see it giving us something like a rising wedge. As you can see, it's bullish. So from analysis, we can see we have the market gives us this multiple touch here, 1, 2, 3. So this market is rejecting this zone multiple times, 1, 2, 3. So once we see that, we know there is more momentum for a sell. If there is more momentum for a sell, then we should be really looking at possible sell trades, okay? So once we've done an analysis like this, we want to find out a good zone that we might likely want to go into the trend. Okay, so now we have something like a break here, and we have a retest happening here. So our focus is really on the retest area. That is where our focus really is. So looking at this, we have the structure here. If you watch closely, you see the market has a structure here. Okay. And that is what we are looking at. There's a structure there. And if I go closer, you're going to see we have a mini trend happening here. The mini trend is happening here. And this mini trend is our likely focus for the trade. So when I say the mini trend, that is it. Look closely, you'll see we have a mini trend there. So I would want to go to a smaller time frame. Let's say we look at 15. So currently on the 15 minutes, you can see we have the market. This is well confirmed. The trend is really confirmed. As you can see, we have it well confirmed here. So I might want to take out this other higher trend so it will be clearer for you. Not all beginner traders can see what we see in the market. So we'll try as much as doing the analysis the way that you can see what I see. So now you can see we have multiple touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 at the support here. That is a good one to say. So, okay, so we have a support there. Let me label it. So we have a good support there. Okay. I think your color should be black. Let me make the color black. Okay. Sorry, I'm coming. Text should be black. Okay. Now we have the support zone there. I wish this guy will allow us to see it well, but all the same, that is the support for this trend. We might have a resistance I would want to draw this way. You might have it from here all the way down. So if you watch closely, you see it started from here. Okay. So it started from here. So we have the resistance. Okay. Okay, so here we have the support, here we have the resistance of this rising wedge. So overall, like the trade I just took, you can see I write this from here. We took this from here and all the way to the upside. And this is about 1:10 risk to the reward ratio, as you can see. You can see it 1:10 risk to reward ratio. So that simply means that you're risking like $100 per trade and your profit target is like 1,000. Please like this live session and share it. Like and share, like and share, like and share, like and share. If you're joining, click on the like button and share if you're just joining. Today I'm going to be doing analysis and also teaching you guys how to take some sweet, good trades. So make sure you like and share. Make sure you like and share. We're already on some trades, so I'm going to show you. We're already on some trades. You can see that's our entry. As you can see the entry down there. You can see the entry. And you can see we are already running. So if you're just joining, you're welcome. So let me go back. Okay, so now what I'm trying to say is, in this scenario, we took a 1:10 risk to reward ratio. So 1:10 means you're taking, let's say you're risking just, let's say for instance, you're risking $10 and your target profit is $100. You're risking 100 and your target profit is 1,000. That is what risk to reward is, okay? So if I should come better to explain that, you see, okay, let me put this text down so you understand what we say risk to reward. Okay, so when we say risk is the amount you're ready to risk per trade. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, let me do this. Fine. Now, let me take this up. So we know we are doing UJ. Okay. Now that is for risk. Let's look at reward. Okay. So let me do this. So profit target. Okay. Okay, so now if you look closely, you're going to see, I had to label it now. Your risk is the amount your risk is the amount you're willing to let go for each trade you're taking. Okay. While your reward is your profit target. Okay. So if you're taking a trade, for instance, now, and you're risking your trade risk to reward is 1:5. Okay. Okay, so let's say you're doing 1:5. So 1:5 trade means you're risking 1% of your capital to get 5% of that capital. Okay. So you're risking 1% or 2% to get 10%. So that risk to reward ratio, the ratio is what you're expected, your risk to reward. Okay. So looking at this chart now, when we do analysis and we are very sure our analysis is correct, this place you see red here is what we are ready to risk. So if we take our entry from this point here, which means if this market is not going to a buy again and it wants to reverse, then definitely it is going against our analysis. Okay? It's going against our trend. So what we are trying to tell the market is, if you're not going our way, close the trade for me and take the small loss, okay, of this amount here. And the profit target I am expecting, I will not achieve it. But just close the trade for me here and don't take the whole of my amount. Just close with this small loss. But if it hits my profit target, as you can see, we have a profit target here. And the market achieved that target. Let me see. Let me adjust this so we see achieved that. Fine. Now, looking at this, you can see target was achieved and about 1:10. 1:10. So 1:10, which means that if the market goes my way, close my trade in profit once you get to this point. Close the trade for me in profit and add my profit to my balance, But if you're not going my way, close the trade at this point and secure my profit. Okay, close the trade at this point, secure my balance. Please, if you're joining, click on the like button. Click on the like button and share this live session. Click on the like button and share this live session. If you're just joining us. Okay, so okay. So now, once you want to take a trade, you want to really focus on the risk to reward. That is very, very important. You want to focus on the risk to reward. The risk to reward is very, very important. The risk to reward is what makes you have a particular sense of the amount you're risking. Like you have an account, okay, I'm trading with so amount, and I'm not risking this more than this on a particular trade on a particular day. If I'm trading $100, for instance, the highest loss I want to take on my $100 is $20 for a day, a single day. So if I take $20 loss for today, I will be out of the market. If I take a $20 loss, I will be out of the market. So that is simply what you do when you're trading proper risk management. Okay. So when you're trading proper risk management, you have a $100 account. You should state out what you're risking per trade. State out what you want to risk per trade. So you don't put your whole equity on the line because you want to make profit. No. Just as you see over here now, we know this market will get to this point. You already know, once the market start moving from here, this market will get to this point. But before the market get to this point, it doesn't fly immediately to the top, okay? The market doesn't just fly to the top. The market will go up, down, up, down, up, down. So what you want to do is, while this market is going up, down, what do you want to do? You have to secure your equity. You have to secure your balance, okay? You have to secure your trading capital. So why you do that is that you want to be sure if this market is going my way, then I should be making a lot of profit. But if you're not going my way, then just close the trade and put back my equity, put back my profit, okay, put back my money in my account. Okay, so this thing is just only what you want to lose. Okay, I'm coming. I will explain more of that. I think I can go to let me see if I can go to a live chat, if it is possible to explain this more. So the way you guys can see it. I wish I can explain this more. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Let me see if I can switch to the chat. Okay, now look at this now. I believe everyone can see, you can see this. Look at this now. Let me come to the time frame. Okay, now look at this now. This market gave us a trend here. Okay, we have a break. We have something like a retest here. Okay, we have something like a retest here. So when you're taking this kind of trade, now, if we are going short on this trade, let's say we are selling, okay? Now, for this sell now, we have our stop loss somewhere around here. Now, this stop loss is giving us minus $34, okay? But on the same hand, let me put the take profit so we can see and understand exactly what I am saying. I want to modify the trade so you understand what I mean. So now, let me see, I'm targeting here. Okay, now, if this market is not going now, please, if you're joining, before I continue, I want to see at least 3 thumbs up. Like this live session and share. I want to see 3 likes and share. Like this live session and share it. So just joining us, you're welcome. Like and share. Just like and share before I continue. Like and share before I continue. Like and share. Just like and share. What I'm teaching here is a paid class and I'm giving it for free. What you're getting here is a paid session that you're getting for free. So the best way to appreciate what I do here is by liking this live session, share, so that others can also. And if you're not subscribed, I think you're missing out on your own. You are really missing out if you're not subscribed. So make sure you subscribe. So now let me proceed. Now I have this trade. Look closely. You're going to see we have. This is the SL. This is my stop loss around here. My stop loss is just here. But this is my $30. If this market is not going my way, I'm risking 185 dollar. You can see it, 185. Okay, 185 in profit, but our stop loss is just 34. You can see. So this is your proper risk management. I wish in my next live session, I would show you the best place to put your stop loss and where to put your take profit. You don't just put them randomly anywhere. There are places to put your stop loss and there are places to put your take profit. Okay? So you don't just do that anywhere randomly. Okay. I think I have to go. Okay. Guys, make sure you subscribe. I might come live tomorrow again, and we have to do this again. I have class to attend to. So see you hopefully tomorrow. Um, okay, I will do a recap before I leave. I'll just do this one recap. Now, the recap here is, now look at this. If I take a sell here and I want to risk, just let's say I have $1,000, I want to risk $100 from my $1,000. One of the reasons why you blow accounts is because you don't know what you should risk per trade or per day. Okay, so you don't just go about opening all the trades, opening everything just because you have big equity. You should know what you're risking. Each trade you're opening, you should know what you're risking per that trade. Please, if you're joining, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you click on the bell icon. And also, I need your like on this live session. I need your thumbs up so that I'm sure you guys are getting value. What you're getting here is a paid session, but I'm going to be teaching you for free. So make sure you give thumbs up to this live session. So let's say you do 1,000, as I said, you should know that if I'm taking 1,000 from this my $1,000, I only want to risk $100 from this my 1,000. So if I take a sell here and this market is not selling, probably a news came up or market, whatever happens, or my analysis is wrong and the market is not going my way, wants to buy. So I should just risk only this small amount. Okay, I'm risking only this small amount. But if the market is going my way, my profit will be this big. My profit will be this big, which means the market is selling in my favor. But if the market is not selling in my favor, then my risk will be just this small area. Okay, so you should know what you're risking. Even before you take that trade, or while you take the trade, you should be sure what you're risking for per trade. This will help you not to blow your account, okay? In the masterclass, I teach how we calculate lot size, pips, risk to reward ratio. With all of this, you can know where you should take a trade, what you're risking, what your target profit is, and every other thing, okay? You know the best lot size for your account size, your account equity, okay? So this is, in 1 minute time, I will be exiting this live session. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you when I come live next, guys. I'm off.